In a recent development, the federal government said it spends 200 billion naira to subsidize electricity monthly. According to the government, the amount benefits the wealthiest 25% of Nigerians rather than those who truly need assistance. The special advisor to President Bola Tinubu on energy, Veijen, stated this in a statement on Monday. Veijen is reacting to reports quoting her as stating that the electricity tariff would soon jack up by 2/3 in order to strengthen the power sector. She, however, maintained that she did not say the tariff would be raised by 65%. It has become necessary to clarify media reports suggesting an imminent 65% increase in electricity tariffs. Veijen noted that while the government is indeed committed to ensuring fairer pricing over the long term, the immediate focus is on taking decisive action to deliver more electricity to Nigerians. In line with this, she disclosed that the federal government's power sector priorities include working towards a targeted subsidy system to ensure low-income households receive the most support. Today, the federal government spends over 200 billion naira per month on electricity subsidies, but much of this support benefits the wealthiest 20% of Nigerians rather than those who truly need assistance. To address this, the federal government is working towards a targeted subsidy system to ensure that low-income households receive the most support, she concluded. We will continue to monitor this developing story for more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.